The U.S. Navy has awarded General Dynamics Electric Boat over $5.1 billion, which includes funding to construct 5 new submarines. The Navy considers the Columbia class of submarines as the future sea-based strategic deterrent. The Columbia class will replace the Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines, which were deployed in the early 2000s, according to military.com. These new submarines are expected to be completed by October 2030, with the lead ship being delivered to the Navy in 2027. The work will be done at electric boat sites in Groton, Quonset Point, Rhode Island, and Newport News, Virginia. 2 subs, the District of Columbia, SSBN 826, and Wisconsin, SSBN 827, are now under construction. The $5,134,324,189 in funding will go toward the procurement and construction of Build 2, which is the next 5 ships to be constructed, as well as for continued missile tube production and improvements to the submarine industrial base. The Columbia-class subs will be the largest ever built by the U.S., measuring in at around 560 feet long and nearly 21,000 tons.